Well, good day everybody, and welcome to this unboxing, test, and review video of another Ruko drone. They've come out with a new model, and they want us to check it out, so we're going to unbox it and see what I think. We're also going to try out their 65-watt charger, help get those batteries charged extra quick. This is the F11PRO 2 from rukotoy.com. Now, these drones do require your phone to work for view screen, so you got your QR codes here on the side for either Apple or Android, which will get the app onto your phone. And then you can start controlling the drone and be able to view the camera. Let's check out the 65-watt charger real quick here. Ruko drone, 65-watt charger. Got a little manual. It's got a little handy flip away pair of prongs there to plug into the wall. Really nice, actually. Yeah, that's a real nice little power supply. We got a USB-A and two USB-Cs. Alright, carry case, that's nice. Keeps everything together and safe. Alright, there we are, Ruko F11PRO 2. A little bit smaller unit than the last drone. I like that. That makes it a little more easy to get around. I'll probably get a little more practice with this drone versus the last one. This has a few more features for stability, like optical sensors and stuff like that. We'll get into the features here in just a minute. Yeah, that's a neat little unit. But yeah, so far it looks like a smaller unit, a little more compact. Batteries go in a little bit different than the last one. These are probably the batteries. I got one battery. Two batteries comes with this drone. We got the controller. Similar setup to the last one. Hang on to your joysticks so you don't lose them or break them. Alright, let's go in like so. Got a nice feel to that. Got a camera button, record button. I like that. I like that they have the two options right there, right on a trigger, picture or video. And that's probably a tilt, camera tilt, tilt up, tilt down. And then the phone holder right there. Nice. So I like that. We got a little bit better fit on this, so it fits a big phone with a case on it. Fits very nicely. It's come with some tools, it looks like. We got little tiny Phillips. We got replacement blades. Awesome. Gotta have those. Got a nice thick user manual here. Oh, that's handy. We got a little quick guide. A little overlay guide. I've never seen that before. But that's real handy. A little trainer, a little training place card. So now they got these little USB-C to USB-C plugs, which goes in like so. Clips in there. You can also loop that around. It has another empty plug, which has no connectors in it, but it's just a way to store this wire. Just like so. And then you can put that away. So now I've got the correct wire for my phone. I could just hang out in there, pull it out, put in the phone, and then we'll connect to the phone. First, let's get the controller charged. Folds up real nice. Yeah, I like the little smaller package. You can almost put that in your pocket. Got the little camera cover here. Like so. There's your little camera Drone is capable of 4K video and 6K pictures. What else do we got in here? Charging cable. Let's set that out. And we also have replacement joysticks, just in case you lose those or break them. Also got replacement screws and little mounting pieces for the blades. They got cables for iPhone, Android, and micro USB for other types of phones. So get a connection for every type of phone. The Ruko F11PRO 2 has a built-in FAA remote ID module. It takes stunning 6K images and 4K video. It has enhanced stability with ultrasonic and optical flow sensors, 3-axis gimbal camera, 10,000 feet FPV digital transmission, 2 batteries for 70 minutes of flight time, and it has level 6 wind resistance. All right, that one's charging. Now that one's charging. All right, 2 batteries. For the controller, I have this USB-A to USB-C cord. I'll do that. All right, everything charging up off one charger there. Got some very helpful manuals here. You even got a flight guide, which has some really helpful information. You need to register this one, just like the last drone. We got a link to some tutorial videos. Alright, I'm here at the FAA Drone Zone website as described here in the manual. Very easy, nicely done step-by-step process here in the manual to show you how to get registered. It's pretty easy. It does cost $5. Alright, easy peasy. Got my drone registered and got an email with the information I need to put on the side of the drone. I have to mark it with the registration number. Alright, I got my drone marked with the registration number. Alright, 100% charged. Took a couple hours. And these are charged too. Ready to go. Alright, that's a good little kit there with the charger, couple batteries, cables. Alright, let's go ahead and get this app on here. Get the Android. Alright, the Ruko mini app is all set up. Looks like we're good to go. Controller's powered on. Drone's powered on. Alright, it flies. Working pretty good. Okay, that is really fun once you start to get used to the controls. I flew up as high as I could, and got to a point where it said height limited, so that might be because we're already up so high. But yeah, I couldn't get too much higher above those trees, unless there's a setting I can mess with. Seems like an awesome little unit. Be sure to check out the links below. Get you a drone! Okay, we're no longer height limited, so that's cool. We got some good video, I think. Yeah, we're going way up there now. I don't know why it did height limited. Height limited. Oh, height limited. Okay, so I can only get that high. It says height at 98 feet. Oh, it's letting me go a little higher. Maybe height limited is only because of the weather. It's pretty windy up there. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's fighting that wind a little bit. Beautiful view up there. Holy moly, this is cool. That is really, really cool. Oh my god, that is awesome. We're gonna get some great footage with this drone in the future. You guys stay tuned for that. Let's grab a picture. Oops, let's rotate. All right, let's try the return to home here. Oh boy, it's coming down fast. That is not home. I think it would do a better job of getting to home if I had like a nice bright marker, like a circle or something. But it got in the general area, so that was really cool. That's neat that it could fly back to you if something goes wrong. All right, we're at 35% on that battery. I love all the readouts. It tells you height, GPS, signal strength, the battery on the drone, the battery on the controller. You can look at your videos and pictures through the app. Get some shots of patches here. Some good practice though. I love taking pictures. This is really neat. It's like a floating tripod that you can control remotely. Okay, I really, really like this drone. After getting those pictures and video of the RV with a whole new angle, I can't wait to take more footage with this thing. Stay tuned, there'll be a lot more of this Ruko drone coming and a lot more awesome drone footage. I like this thing. I like the size, the portability, takes really good video, packs away nice, got a whole nice, awesome little kit here. Alright you guys, that was a whole lot of fun flying around in that drone and taking video and picture from way up high. I got some stunning 6K photographs. However, I cannot load these into my editing software for some reason. So I will just screen capture them and give you a quick rundown of what I took here. Probably won't do it justice with the screen capture, but maybe I can upload these to Discord and I could share those there for you. But boy, they look amazing. Yeah, the detail and those pictures are... that is pretty awesome. Some pictures of patches. It's Cool to be able to see her from different angles. Alright, you guys, come check them out. Ruko.net. F11PRO 2. Pretty awesome little drone. I had a lot of fun flying that. Can't wait to take it out again. It's got tons of options, and I think it's a great way to get started into the hobby of drone flying.